ani mung Meha Debarma, ani kami Jompijola. Ang tabuk Oxlam Girls School Agartala class 12 community stream tei pori tongo. Ani hobbies ngkha basketball thangnani, acting tei modeling khainani. Ani ever life ngkha khoroksa actress tei modeling nani. Ani motto be confident and be kind. Hambai.
Jotono Kunungka, Animung Gorok Jomatia, Anikami Dalak Amorpur, Antabok Don Bosco School Agartala, Class 12 Commerce Puri Tongo, Ani hobbies Nka gymming type fitness activities, Ani Heaven Lagunga, commercial type fitness model Nani, Hambai.
Dalia Debarma, kami Khwai Rajnagar. Ang tabuk Ikhwai University Tirprawo, BEd nawi pori witong. Ani hobbies, modeling, dancing, tai traveling. Ani admin life, teacher unani. Hambai.
Kulumka Jotono, Kai Sarikaham, Ani Mumarsa Debarma, Ani Kami Jompijala, Angtabo, NIT Agartalawo, Electronics and Communication Engineering Naipurtongo, Ani Musumaka, Modeling, Dancing, Acting and Traveling, Ani Emin Laibuka, Ankoroksa Actor, Model, Nungani, Ani Motu, Kaham Khaidi, Kahamulai, Hambai.
Kulumka Jotono Sharikaham, Ani Mung Banya Debarma, Ani kami Damchara North Tripura, Ang Tabuk Women's College of Poritongo, first semester with English department, Ani hobbies ngkha modeling, dancing and playing sports, Ani aim in life ngkha Khoroksa TPS officer ngani. Hambai.
Ani Bumong Sushmita Debarma, Ani kami Lembuchora, Ang Tabuk Rajoshi College of Poritongo, Ani hobbies, dancing and cooking and traveling, and Miami life teacher Hambai.
Kulumka Jotono, Ani Mung Babon Debarma, Ani kami Borgatar. Ang tabuk music college of Eastern Poritongo, Ani hobbies ngkha dancing and acting, Ani every life ngkha business management tai job panibagi samudangani. Hambai.
Kulumka Jotono Tei Sharikaham, Ani Mung Elena Debarma, Ani kami ngkha Munia kami, Ang Tabuk Women's College of Poritongo, 5th semester Kokoro major naharui, Ani hobbies ngkha dancing and modeling, Ani aim in life ngkha professor ngani. Hambai.
Kulumka Jotono, Ani Bumung Khai Ratul Tripura, Ani kami ke Sabrong Khali Pisawo, Ang Tabuk Rajshari College of Poritongo, Political Science na Hawoy, Ani Musuma ngkha Borokno Munirimung, Musamung acting tai ni sakno, Heli ke tongna musungo, Ani emilai ngkha Ang Khoroksa Police Officer na musungo. Hambai.
Ani Mung Amrita Debarma, and Visramganj Dewan Bazar kami. And Tripura University wa, I am the Political Science second year of Poritongo. ani muchungaro ungkha masanani rajabnani deketal surung surungnani ani email life ungkha social worker nani hambai
Sarikaham Jotono, Animung Sahil Deborma, Anikami Bisramgonj, Angtabuk Poriwo, DIT College, first semester Electric Engineering, Ani Hobesha, Dancing and Modeling, Ani aiming life police officer and a successful model, Hambai.
Khulumkha Jotonono, Dai Sharikaham, Animung Afsana Deborma, Anikami Khoi Champa Howard, BA complete থেকে NEF College, currently aviation ibanga training rihui tongo, hobbies, gaming and traveling. They ani aim in life ungha, cabin crew or professor. Hambai.
Pulawo Jotono Sanjakaham, Dai Khulumkha. Mongani Sanjay Deborma, Kami Ompinagar, Tongmani Thai Rajendra Para. Tabu Prezeno, Ang Khoroksa, Rabati Parkhai Tongo, Dai Tailoring Book Hai Tongo. Ani Hamzamar Unkha, Mushamu, Richamu, acting, Dai modeling. Tinango ani Musuma Ankha, Ang Khoroksa, businessman Angani Musungo, Dai Chugia Borogano, Chubana Musungo, Hambai.
Sharikaham Jotonono, Animung Urmila Deborma, Anikami Kha Khwai Baijalbari, Angtabuk Synod Foundation, English Medium School of Poritongo, Class 11, Science Stream Dahare, Ani hobbies Kha dancing, traveling and modeling, Ani aim in life Kha Angkhoroksa modeling nani, Hambai.
Khulumkha Jotonono, Dai Sarikaham, Animung Zora Deborma, Anikami, Bogothur Kami, Ang class 10 Poritongo, Ani hobbies dancing, Thai modeling, Ani aim in life model daily research Hambai.